Hello guys, let's learn about animals. You know what is this? This is rooster. You know what is this? This is horse. You know what is this? This is elephant. You know what is this? This is triceratops. You know what is this? This is Brachiosaurus.
Can somebody help us? We are in the cage. Is there anybody to help us?
I want to save you.
Really? Help us! Crush that cage! Yeah, you did! Oh, all the animals are free from cage. Hello, my friend. I'm Elephant. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
May I know your name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. I am the strongest animal in the world. I am the strongest. Okay, don't give up. You want to fight? Come.
Hey, right there, dog, be careful, I'm coming.
Because
Hey, be careful with me. Oh!